Hello guys, my name is Disha and for today's video, as you must have already read it from the title, it is a Miniso haul.
It's I don't even wanna go back home. What is this love and war? He know that I love him, got him fucking me raw.
So yeah, I have few products to show you. By the way, I haven't shopped recently because it's lockdown and everything is shut. So ये सारे सामान मैंने कुछ टाइम में खरीदे थे and that's what I'm gonna share with you. Yeah, and I'm also gonna drop all the links in the description box below because Miniso is also available on Amazon and Flipkart. I'm not sure if all the products would be available, but I would try my best. So talking about the very first product, I love Miniso. I mean, जब Miniso नया आया था, I was very obsessed with that. But then my obsession took over to Mr. DIY. If you don't know what is Mr. DIY, I'm gonna link a video right here. You should check that video out. It has all the cute stuff starting at rupees 14. So let's start with today's video. So the very first product I have, so by the way, do not judge how these products look because I have been using it for a long time now and I haven't cleaned it. Okay, so the first product is this. Can you see this? Oh my god, I'm so obsessed over this brush. By the way, this is a hair brush and this is in the square shape or एक oval shape में भी आता है. I mean, it has pink glitters and yeah, it's like a little dirty here, don't mind that, and it has moving glitters and which is so cute. Oh my god, I'm like really obsessed with this one. I mean, this is my personality. I love everything pink, cute, something unique, shiny, glittery. This is my personality, and you know, you can always go extra with the hairbrushes. Why use like regular hairbrushes? Here is this sassy little hairbrush right here, and this is amazing. So as you're talking about comb, here is another comb from Miniso. This is a wide, what do you call this? By the way, I have lost the original packaging. This was infused with some essential oil and this was for 190 rupees. And I guess this was for 200 rupees, which I feel is like really affordable for what you're getting. And I have been using this for the longest time. By the way, Miniso haul मैंने अभी recently कुछ shop नहीं किया, मेरे पास already सामान थे. So I'm making a video out of it because I was very excited to share such cute products with you guys. So yeah, I mean, जब भी नया था ना, it used to smell good and the quality is like really nice. It was by the way, it is a shower comb and it was infused with some essential oil जो भी ख़त्म हो चुका है, but the quality is like really nice and it was pink. So I had sorry if you do not like pink, then I'm so sorry, but here is another pink obsession. By the way, this is a foldable comb which is so cute and it's pink, so I had to get it. I guess this was for 190 rupees or maybe like 150 to 190 rupees के बीच में. So you can just throw it in your sling bag or any other purse and it would like barely take any space, and it's cool. It does work. Do you see that? It does work. It's not a gimmicky product. I really love this. So another pink product I have is this. This is an eye mask. You have a band right here. By the way, this came in with the ice pouch and this retailed for I'm gonna mention the price on the screen because I do not remember. ये भी मैंने बहुत टाइम पहले लिया था. If you have watched my top 10 videos every girl should have, उसमें ये मैंने mention किया था. It is a really nice quality. And इसके अंदर there was this ice gel pouch. What you have to do is just keep it into the freezer and let it cool and just insert it back and just use it. It will soothe your eye and get rid of all the puffiness, but you can remove that and use it as an eye mask. The best thing about this eye mask is that it comes with an adjustable strap, which I really love about this. So whatever head size you are, it's gonna fit. So the next product I have is tissue. By the way, the only reason I bought this because it has pink. I mean, not exactly pink. So this is the pack of tissue and this was for 190 rupees. इसके अंदर I've already started using it. इसके अंदर ऐसे packs हैं tissue के. It is from the Pink Panther collection and the tissue quality is like really good as compared to other cheap tissues you get. And for 190 rupees you get 18 pack, which I feel it is a great deal. Like ऐसे इसके अंदर 18 है. So I've barely used it as you can see, but I really love it and it had like something pink going on here, so I had to get it. The quality is really amazing. It is available on Amazon also. I'm gonna mention the link down below. So yeah, and in this one packet there is 3 sheets, which I feel is okay because the product is like very top notch. Next product I have is a very miscellaneous product. This is a box of cotton pads. By the way, this is my second purchase. I really love this, and this comes only for 190 rupees. And iska packaging tha which I lost it. By the way, this comes in a plastic box, and you open it and you have, I don't know, I guess 800 sheets right here. So you can use it to, you know, for makeup wipes or for anything. The quality is also decent. So if I run out of this, I'm not gonna buy the same version. I'm gonna buy वो packet वाला जिसके अंदर there's a thick cotton pad because that is much better, I guess, because it has thin ones. But it's okay, it's totally up to you. It is, I feel this is worth the price what you're paying for, and it will last you for like a year. Like, you know, this is my second purchase. So after you're done using the cotton pad, you are left with a box which you can of course utilize to keep in your stuff. And so, yeah, the other product I have is a paper tape set from Miniso, and this came in for 150 rupees. ये भी मैंने बहुत पहले लिया था. So I'll tell you what it is. Let me just remove it. This is a tape stand. I don't know what you call it exactly. It looked cute. So tape roll, what you have to do, jitna bhi, if you want it, you can just cut it and you can write anything here. I hope that makes sense. I don't know how to explain it. It says paper tape set. Yeah, paper tape set. इसको बस फाड़ना है जितना भी चाहिए. It's a roll and you can write anything or just stick anything with it. The glue is not that great, by the way. There's one more roll in the box which is like very cute, and that is the main reason why I bought it. So this is the roll which has these message box kind of thing. This is how it is. So you can cut it and you can stick it anywhere on the gift or anywhere you want to, which I found this really cool and I had to get it. And this is an old product from the Miniso. इसका हालत बहुत ख़राब हो चुका है. So I'm so sorry for that. But ये मैंने बहुत पहले लिया था and इसका प्राइस मुझे याद नहीं. I guess it was for 250 or 350 rupees. Acrylic drawers, ऐसे drawers हैं. एंड अभी तो इसका पूरा शाइन चला जा चुका है. इट्स गुड, इट टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन योर यूजेज, बट इसका शाइन अभी टोटली जा चुका है. एंड आई हैव हैड दिस फॉर लाइक ओवर 1.5 years now. काफ़ी पुराना चीज़ I'm showing you. But yeah, if you like acrylic drawers, you can totally give this a try. Next product I have is a table mirror. This is how it looks, and इसी का original packaging I have अभी तक. And this came in for 190 rupees, which is very cheap. So there's a lot of thing it comes with. There is a stand, okay, and there is this thing wherein you have to ऐसे ही लगाना है. And there is a good quality mirror. It's like very good quality for the price you are paying, and you just have to attach it. There you go. It's a table mirror. Of course you can detach this and use it for travel. That is, so this is the best thing about it. You can detach it and use it for your travel purpose as well. And for the price, the mirror quality is really good. जब Miniso के mirror के quality बहुत अच्छे रहते हैं, so you should definitely give this a shot. So continuing my obsession with pink color, I have a cute pink water bottle. This is how it looks. By the way, this was very expensive for a water bottle, which was like 350 rupees, but this is a glass bottle and it is very cute, and it comes with a rubber ka layer. You can also remove this, but that's how it looks cute with. And yeah, I mean, it is leak proof and it's very cute. I don't know what else to say, but I really loved it. It's very me and like, so I'm left with only two products which had to be nail paints. By the way, ये nail paints मैंने अपने last video में दिखाई है. So I love Miniso nail paints. They're quite affordable for only 90 rupees and they're top notch when it comes to quality. So I have these two, which is the Pitura nail paint and one is the peel off nail paint. The good thing about the peel off nail paint is that you just have to apply, and whenever you want to get rid of that nail paint, you do not need an acetone. You just need to peel that off, and it's quite easy, and it is not a gimmicky product. It does works. And by the way, इसका shade is bright stars and sequin silver, which is again a very pretty silver shade, and it does gives you the payoff on your nails, okay, unlike other silver nail paints जो बस shiny दिखती है and when you apply it on your nails there is nothing. It's not this one. So I would highly recommend you, if you are visiting Miniso stores, just get this silver nail paint and you wouldn't regret it. So and the last product which I forgot to show you all is this pink diary. I had to get it. By the way, I do not remember the price of this one, but this is how it looks, and here is this bandy thing where it helps you to, you know, tie up the diary, and it is rule diary, which I really love. and yeah, I mean there's nothing bad to say about this diary because it's pink. So like always in every video I forget to mention about one or the other product. So this is one eyebrow thing from Miniso. This costed me I guess $200, which comes with a dark shade and a lighter shade. This is my second purchase. I swear by this product. It is very beginners friendly, and also it has a mirror, which is a wow. And I really love this. Like if you don't want to use eyebrow pencil, you can surely go for this one. It is called as 1+1 eyebrow powder, as you can see, and you can definitely give this a try. It's very affordable and top-notch quality. So yeah, that's all for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment and let me know down below what was your favorite product, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.